Should you buy a case or a skin? So whether you've bought a new device or are just looking to switch up your protection, both of these options can be good. Let's start things off by talking about cases. Now, the obvious reason you buy a case for your device is obviously protection, and this is still going to be king here. It will definitely protect your device against drops and scrapes more than a skin will. However, there's definitely more to it than that. Cases have come a long way than just protecting your device. Some of them have magnetic rings in to help with charging, and some of them also have stands in so you can catch up with content on the go. Then you also have the extreme versions like this OtterBox one, video up here if you want to see more of this, and cases like this can give your device extra water resistance. This is perfect if you're going on holiday and just want that peace of mind when you're at the beach that you're not going to get sand and salt water to destroy your phone. Cases also come in many different materials, so you can go for your standard sort of plastic and TPU versions like we've got here, or you can go for the expensive leather version. Another good use for cases is that you can actually swap them out depending on what you want to do. So if you're going hiking and want a bit more of a rugged case, then there's an option for that. Or if you're someone that doesn't like to carry around too much in their pockets, say like a wallet, then you can get a wallet case that can hold your cards and cash as well. However, it's not all perfect for cases, as we've all been there when we've removed our case to give our phone a little bit of a clean and thought, wow, this phone feels amazing without a case on. Then you have that 15-minute window where you'd like to use your phone without a case, then realize you want the protection. That's because cases generally ruin the feel of a phone. They add bulk and they just don't feel as premium as when you use a phone without a case on. Now, cases can be inexpensive. However, if you're like me, you've probably gone and got yourself an expensive official one. Now, this is great as they offer a good amount of protection, and it also has things like a MagSafe ring, which will help with charging, and other accessories like battery banks. Now, a trend over the last few years is to protect your device with a skin. Now, a skin will offer good low-level protection against things like keys and coins. However, it's going to leave a little bit to be desired against drop protection. Now, a reason that I've personally used skins in the past is that they are incredibly thin. So it does feel like you're using your phone without a case on at all, which, as we know, feels great. Now, not only does your phone feel incredibly thin with the skin on, it also means the buttons are still very clicky. This is because they're essentially naked, so as the manufacturer intended. Skins also tend to come in a variety of colors and designs. This means they tend to be more exciting than, say, your black cases that you usually find. Another good thing about skins is that they're pretty inexpensive. This means you can change the color of your phone every month if you really wanted to. Or if a new device comes out in a color that you really want, you don't have to upgrade. You can just slap a skin on it and be happy with the new color. There definitely are some disadvantages of using a skin though. For a start, it's just less protective than a case. So if you drop your phone with a skin on, it's probably going to receive some damage. Skins can also be pretty difficult to install, and I'm saying that from personal experience. Skins can also peel away from the device. So if you're putting it in and out your pocket, you may notice the edges start to fray up. This can also be true if you live in a hot climate, as the edges will lose a bit of their stickiness and start to peel up. This means you may have to swap out your skin every few months to make sure it looks fresh. Personally, I used a skin on my iPad at home, as I have no problems dropping it on my sofa or carpet because it's not going to damage the device. So in conclusion, I'm probably still going to keep a case on my phone, as I take it out the home and I need that extra protection. However, for my devices at home, I'm probably going to keep using skins, as I don't need a lot of protection and they still feel great in the hands as if they've got nothing on. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, remember to like and subscribe, and we hope to see you in the next one.